The Department of Homeland Security has issued a Chuck Norris alert for the entire United States until further notice. Chuck Norris is capable of destroying public property and will roundhouse kick you to death. If you see any property being vandalized in your area, seek shelter in a basement or lower part of your homes immediately. Do not wait until he breaks open the front door of your house, because, if you do, you'll give him a chance to beat you up extremely badly. Oh crap, he has managed to get into the EAS headquarters. No, this hurts so bad. Please have mercy, help. Please don't do this, I beg of you. Now I'm dying.
Everyone who is receiving this alert must take immediate action, because I, Chuck Norris, will now start vandalizing more property. However, if you don't seek shelter in a basement or lower part of your homes, I will roundhouse kick any one of you in sight. Fear me.